Today I'm going to be reviewing and unboxing this 3-in-1 thermal brush. This is a brush and also works as a curling iron. So let's go ahead and unbox it. Let's see what it looks like. And we're going to test it out. I'm actually going to be doing my hair, styling it with this thermal brush. But first and foremost, I'd like to say thank you to the company for sending me this product so I could go ahead and unbox it and give you my full and honest review. So let's go ahead and check it out. So I'm going to be showing you today what is inside the box. You do get your instruction manual, so in case you don't know how to use it, it's going to walk you through all the features. It's going to tell you how to set it up and how to use it. Next, you do get this heat protectant glove, so you could always use it as you are styling your hair. Next, you do get 2 clips. This is going to go ahead and help you section off your hair. And last is the thermal brush. As you can see, this is what the thermal brush looks like. And a great thing about it is that it actually has a lock and unlock feature. I'm going to go ahead and give you a closer look on that. So you can go ahead and easily release the top head. This makes it so much easier if in case you are traveling, you are on the go, you could go ahead and release it and it is less bulky. I'm going to give you a closer look. As you can see, it has a little arrow right there. This is currently unlocked. All you want to do is push it to the lock side and then it'll lock it into place. So this is a ceramic curling brush. So not only will it style your hair, but this works as a brush. It will remove any frizz and also it helps curl your hair. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and get it plugged in now. See, this is what the bottom looks like. Go ahead and turn it on. So you could see, I went ahead and turned it on. It has a plus and a minus. So it does have a total of 7 different heat settings, starting at 230 degrees Fahrenheit, and it goes all the way up to 450. Go ahead and give you a closer look on that. As you could see, it is going up in temperature. If you want to go ahead and adjust it, you could just simply adjust it by using the plus or minus. I'm gonna go ahead and section off my hair just so we could see it in action. As you can see, once it is ready, it's going to go ahead and beep. You want to get about 1 inch of hair and then you want to go ahead and twirl. I'm using it currently at the lowest heat setting, which is the 230, but look at that beautiful curl. It does not take much. All you want to do is just grab your hair, then you're going to go ahead and twirl it around. I like that my hair does not get tangled in here. Once you're ready to release, you want to go ahead and twirl on your way down. And look at that. That beautiful curl. So you could see it works as a brush. So all the bristles are actually brushing through your hair. And then on your way down, release. So you don't even need to leave this on long. As you're styling your hair, you just want to go ahead and brush it through. And there you go. I'm currently using it at the lowest heat setting, but it does not take much. As you can see, I did not leave it on my hair long. It immediately took the curl. So let's go ahead and finish the rest of the hair and let's see how it looks. So I did want to give you a before and after. Before I finish styling my hair completely, this is the side that I already went through with the thermal brush. As you can see, it is more defined. The curls look a lot nicer, a lot tighter. This is the side that I have not yet gone through. This is just my natural hair. I just blow dry it and this is what it looks like. There's really not any shape to it. So you can see this one's a lot more defined. So then we're gonna go ahead and finish off this side and then we will see what it looks like. So easy to use, simply brush it through and then bring it down. Look at that beautiful curl. Gonna go ahead and hold it just so you could see what it looks like. You want to just brush it through and then start twisting it. And then I like that it does have that little top. So it's going to go ahead and it's the anti-scalding tip. So you get it closed and it's not going to burn you. Look at that. Just brush it through, twirl. Grab the top part right here. And I also like that it does have a swivel cord. So you can go ahead and move it around in different directions and your hand is not getting stuck or cramped up. So I like that you're able to move it all around. So it's super flexible. Look at that. The great thing about this is that you could face it in many directions. Look at how much volume it added to my hair. Look at that volume, the curls. Wow, I'm actually impressed. It was super easy. Again, I used it at the lowest heat setting because I really wanted to test out and see how fast and how easy it was to style my whole head of hair. And look at that, the volume it added the curls, the shine. I'm definitely obsessed with the salon quality blowout it gave me. This is perfect for travel. This is perfect for yourself or for a gift. So if you've been on the lookout for a new thermal brush, then definitely check this one out.